Welcome to EVs Made Simple. Are electric vehicles worth their cost? Even though prices are coming down, they're still more expensive to buy than gas-powered cars. Are they worth it? So you're in the market for a new car, and you're considering an EV but aren't sure since the price is higher than choosing a gas car. Don't worry, it pays to plug in. Hydro costs vary depending on where you live, but no matter what, charging at home is cheaper than filling up at a gas pump. And if you charge overnight, the rates can be even lower. Check with your local utility company. Many have special plans that can benefit EV owners. Not to mention maintenance. With no oil to replace and fewer moving parts to fail, the CAA estimates that EV owners can save 40% to 50% on maintenance costs. And those epic road trips? Natural Resources Canada says 400 kilometers costs about $12 in an EV compared to $48 in a gas vehicle, depending on your province's electricity rates and whether you charge at home or on the go, which means more savings for s'mores. And it's not just about range. Your EV can keep up with your lifestyle, like the Subaru Trail Seeker, which can tow up to 1,500 kilograms. When you think about it, the math is simple. An EV plus you equals a happier wallet. Hopefully, we've got you believing in the value of an EV. Now it's time we talk safety. Click this video to learn about all the ways EVs keep you safe, or choose from the playlist.